So here we have the Mercedes-Benz E220 Coupe on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car before we hop in and run through those controls I mentioned. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, the speedometer, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles for the car there, 101,611. Also in that section, you can see what gear the car is in. We're in park at the moment. It's got an automatic gearbox, of course. You can change information in that central section by using buttons on the steering wheel. You can, if you wish to, have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have the buttons just here to change those controls. Over on the right hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center, we have the main screen for the car. So up on here, you've got various things that you can run through. Satellite navigation, of course, being one of those. The movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial and the collection of buttons just here. You can also use the buttons on the main stereo. For example, if I press radio, we will be on the radio menu, where using the dial, you can see that we've got DAB, FM, medium wave, shortwave, and long wave radio. So loads of options where it comes to that. You can, of course, listen to your own music as well. And again, plenty of ways to do that, and you can see those all being highlighted on the screen now. On top of all of that, this car's got a full colour reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in. Working our way down, we have a clock, we have the main volume and CD player, the buttons I went through just a moment ago. And then below that, we have heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. Same for the passenger side. We can turn our parking sensors off, we can put the car into eco, we've got our hazard warning lights there as well. And then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature up and down. Same with the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is off or back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control, which you can hear it doing. You can override that whenever you wish to, but it takes control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. In here we have some storage, a 12-volt charging socket, and we've got 2 cup holders, and then back round to that dial for your stereo. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.